y'all? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this video. I actually already primed my eyes and I already did my eyebrows. I'll list everything in the description box. So I'm gonna be using two palettes today. I'm gonna be using Juvia's Zulu palette. And then I'm also going to be using my Rude Cosmetics palette. So, like I said, we're going to go ahead and get into it. Okay, I'm going to start with the Juvia's Zulu palette first. And I'm just going to come on and use this brown shade right here for my transition color. Now that I got that brown down in my crease, I'm going with my Rude Cosmetics United Peachy Nudes palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here, which is like a nude type color, and I'm going to put that on my lids. Decided to add some glitter. It's just a glitter that I have, like a little gold glitter with different color specks in it, different specks of color I should say, and it don't really have a name on it, but I just use that and just put that like in my crease area. And now I'm going to come on and move on to my eyeliner. Okay, for my eyeliner I'm going to use my Juvia's Eyeline Eye Define pen liner. For my lash glue, I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue. And for my eyelashes, I'm going to use my Ioni Wispy Doll Crisscross lashes. This is in Galaxy Jade. Make sure there's no gap show. I'm using my Sephora eye pencil in black. And for my mascara, I'm using my Essence Lash Princess. This is the waterproof one. Okay, y'all, for my primer, I'm using my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Next, y'all, to correct the dark spots on my face, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Okay, y'all, for my foundation, I'm using Revlon Color Stay 600 Cinnamon. This is 24-hour foundation, and then I'm mixing it with the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in shade 440. For some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. Okay, the highlight, I'm going with my Laura Mercier concealer in 3.5 in, and this is the Flawless Fusion Concealer. Okay, to bring some warmth to my face, I'm using my bronzer. I'm using my Beauty Bay bronzer. This is in the color Chestnut. Okay, since the other bronzer is a little reddish, which I like, but I don't like it on my jawline, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place bronzer palette in the dark, and I'm just going to use this color to go around my jawline, and I'm also going to use this to contour my nose. Okay, y'all, to set that concealer in place and also to go underneath my cheek area where I put my bronzer, I'm going to come out and use my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach, and I'm going to mix it with my Urban Decay translucent setting powder. Face powder, I'm using Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade 440. My blush, I'm going to use my Beauty Bay blush, and this is in the color Coral. Okay, for my highlighter, I'm going with the Juvia's Place highlighter. This is in Royalty Juvia's Place loose highlighter. Okay, moving on the lips, I'm using my Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola, and then I'm going to use my Morphe lipstick. This is in Peanut. My setting spray, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, y'all, this is the completed makeup look. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this look. As far as the eyes, I was just gonna leave it just a nude. Just do like a regular nude look, and that's it. But I decided to come out and add that glitter just to give it a little something. I felt like it was missing something, so that's why I did that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. I really appreciate you all watching. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Also, since this is a new year, 2023, my goal is to try to get to at least 2,000 subscribers. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you press the bell so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. Comment, like, share. I would love to hear from you all. Like I said, I really appreciate you all watching and supporting me. And I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.